our food kind of cold just because of how cold it was outside. But I'm back home now and I need to pick up my room because it is a mess. Here's the mess. Let's clean this up. Just woke up from a nap. I'm still so tired. I'm gonna go decorate for Christmas now and then probably cook something. So it is already December 21st. I know. I really thought I was gonna do Vlogmas this year, but that didn't happen. I am just so behind on editing videos that I just knew it wasn't gonna happen. I've just been trying to wait until I'm motivated enough to actually edit all the other videos I need to edit before I can even attempt to do Vlogmas. Either way, like, if I'm this behind already, why would I think I could ever do Vlogmas? At least not this year. Also, just ignore the little pimple patch. But yeah, Christmas is in like 3 days and I've only done 1 day of Vlogmas, but it's fine. At least we're getting back into it 3 days before Christmas, even though I promise you're probably gonna see this after Christmas. Okay, I've decided to get out of my house. I was actually trying to edit, but I just kept thinking about Starbucks. I have not been there in forever. I don't even remember the last time I went to Starbucks. So I was like, you know what? I'm actually editing today. Not that much though. Like, I have not gotten very far at all. But since I, had actually started, I wanted to treat myself to some Starbucks. That's what we're gonna do. And yeah, I just want to go for a drive, listen to some music, and drink my Starbucks. I feel like a lot has happened ever since. Like, what was that? Oh my god. This is probably a bad idea. Oh my god, I forgot this road was closed. Come on. I need to get to Starbucks here. Can I have a talk mocha cookie crumble?
Tall mocha cookie crumble. Anything else?
And can I also have the bacon egg bites?
The bacon egg bites. All right. Anything else?
That'll be all.
Thank you.
Thank you. So I've never tried the egg bites. I watch so many YouTubers that eat that and they say that it's so good. I finally want to try it out and see what it's all about. It honestly smells so good. Honestly, I don't know what the other thing is. I didn't know how to read it, so I didn't even say it. I don't even know what it is. I just said the bacon ones. I mean, they're good. Probably should have seen which one is the one that everybody gets and tried that one instead of just going for the bacon one, because it's good. But I don't know. Why is this so good? I forgot to ask with extra cookie though. This is exactly what I wanted. Now that I finished the egg bites, I can see why people like them now. I feel like the more you eat it, the more you'll actually like it. I don't know. It's already getting dark outside because it's about to be 6. It's crazy because it's literally December 21st and it's not even that cold at all. Like, it's literally 75 degrees outside right now. And that's the coldest it's been this whole time. That's crazy. I'm gonna try to do some Christmassy stuff because I really haven't done anything at all. Usually every other year during this time of year, I'm watching Christmas movies every day. I'm baking cookies and, decorating, just in the Christmas spirit. But this year I don't feel it as much. I don't know, it's because I'm getting older or I'm just too busy to even be watching movies like that or, even have time to do anything Christmassy. Also, the fact that it's still hot here. I don't know. This year I haven't felt Christmas. And that sucks because I actually really love Christmas. I'm gonna have to go watch some Christmas movie sometime this week, even though I don't really know when I'll do that, and Christmas is in 3 days, but I'll figure it out. I have to watch Christmas with the Cranks. That is my favorite Christmas movie ever, and every year I have to watch it. If not, I'll watch it on Christmas Day. Yeah, I'll probably end up doing that. I'm thinking we go home, we try to edit, and then maybe we can bake some Christmas cookies or something, because we just need a little bit of a Christmas spirit. Also, I really need to dye my hair because it's so grown out. It looks very bad. That looks so bad.